Good Monday makers. My name is Dave. This is our chance to check out all kinds of cool DIY projects made out of EMT Conduit. We do this on a weekly basis. Let's take a look at the builds. Oh, and you don't want to miss the last one. It's a great greenhouse that we've been waiting months to see. So definitely stay tuned for that. The first one we've got is this medicine ball rack that Justin built for his gym. He's got a professional gym, a lot of medicine balls. I mean, like 24 different medicine balls. They're not lightweight either. They're 20 pounds, 25 pounds, 10 pounds. So there's a lot of weight on this rack for sure. And it's holding up great. Justin said he was happy with it. It's a simple design. It's got 3 different levels, 2 sections. He used 90-degree connectors on the outside and then 4-way connectors here. Really easy to do. Probably some rubber feet on the bottom as well. Let's take a look. Rubber feet. Yep. Looks like just our 7/8 rubber feet. And it did the trick. So, Justin, thanks so much for posting it. Really cool build. Love seeing it. Here's one by William. He's got this beautiful deck in his backyard. He's preparing for summer and sitting out on the deck and wanted some privacy with his neighbors. He's in a neighborhood here. So he made a privacy screen up and beyond the wooden railing of the deck. And he used EMT conduit, our connectors, and then the shade cloth. Looks really great. There's a picture of what he used. He used T connectors, 180s. I can see a flange on the bottom. And then even got snow in April that he was saying, but it survived a big windstorm. He only lost a couple of zip ties and it held up great. So I'm glad the project worked out for you, William. Appreciate you posting it. I love what you did there. Here's one by Hubert. He's got a water heater like a lot of people do in the basement, and he wanted to protect people from the water heater, kids from the water heater, and protect the water heater from people running into it. So he made this little protection screen. He's got a frame out of EMT conduit and our connectors, and then just wrapped it all in vinyl. Again, zip tied the vinyl mesh to the outside. Looks great. Looks like it does the trick. I'm glad you're happy, Hubert. Thanks for posting that. Here's one by Peter. Peter is a gardener and he's got planting soil that he wanted to organize and store off the cement. You can see what he made. He made this really neat storage area where he's got different soil. He made it in a simple way. He's got wood boards as the bottom. They're held on by one-hole straps. You can see that here, the one-hole straps that are holding the boards. And then he did a simple kind of rectangular design. He made these stubs in the middle that support the weight just out of T connectors and used rubber feet. And it looks fantastic. It looks like it does the trick. He's got everything well organized. I hope it stays like that all of the time and not just for the photo, but we love seeing the photo. So thanks so much. Really cool build, Peter. Appreciate it. Okay, so here is the photos we've been waiting for a long time. Let me tell a little bit about this. So Ben posted this photo of his shed style greenhouse, at least that's what we called it, months back. And it got a ton of interest. It looks like a simple structure, really easy way to make a greenhouse. And I especially like the roof, right? Because it was just one angle. You could use T's to make whatever angle you wanted. And then he hinted at his details because he had this wood frame door jamb and some other things. So we were all pumped to see it. And I think I even asked him on the community, hey, how's your build going? And I'm happy to tell you, Ben posted finished pictures of the greenhouse. Here it is, all wrapped in plastic and finished. He said it's a lot more green now, which is that's great. That's exactly what you want. But here it is. He wrapped the whole greenhouse in plastic. He used PVC clips here to hold the plastic onto the EMT conduit like that. And then he made this doorway out of wood. We saw that door jamb, but he finished it off. Looks like it works really well with a hook here so he can lock it open or latch it open. And then these roll up ventilation poles are great. He did this on both sides so he can roll up the plastic, get more ventilation in the greenhouse, and then roll them back down. And then he even used T connectors as handles for the roll up. which I thought was ingenious. Two T connectors there, rolled up, roll it down, looks great. And then if you peek inside, you've got this raised bed, which looks good. And then this bench on the opposite side, made out of EMT conduit and our connectors, which I assume he built it into the structure of the greenhouse, which makes sense. It's going to make it more sturdy and be really easy. You have to use less pipe and less connectors, and then finished it with a plywood top. So, all in all, what a fantastic build. Ben, thanks so much for following up with us and posting the finished pictures of it. I know a lot of people are going to like to see that. And thanks to everybody that posts their builds. We truly appreciate seeing what you created with Maker Pipe. And it's my favorite part of the week. We do this every week. So if you want to see more of this, definitely consider subscribing. Thanks, everybody. Take care.